Better Places, Stronger Communities is the name of the program under which the state government has begun to transfer management of housing trust stock to the non-government sector.
It is focused on looking at linking community development together with tenancy and asset management for the best outcomes for the tenant. AnglicareSA received management transfer of a total of 479 properties, with 316 of those in Elizabeth Grove and 163 of those within Elizabeth Vale.
One of the opportunities we've been able to take advantage of is to have a local office here at Elizabeth Grove serving the tenants in Elizabeth Grove. Every one of the houses in this area is within walking distance of our office.
We now see people from Anglicare and we know we can just phone them up or go down to the Grove and pop into their office.
The way we are working with our tenants is to meet them as many times as possible, make ourselves available to them as much as possible, and really to gain an insight into their individual aspirations and their desires for their local community.
It's not just all about the house, if you know what I mean, about us living in a house. They're actually the community. They're worrying about the children that live in the houses, you know, and having fun and making us learn about everyone that around where we live as well.
We've been involved in discussions with the local council in regards to improving open space within the area, and there's a project that's commencing in relation to that at the moment. And we've also continued our one-on-one meetings with the community and the tenants to determine what they would like to see happen and what are the highest priorities to them.
They asked us, was there anything we wanted them to do, which nobody'd ever asked us that before.
Our plans for the future in housing is when we've completed the process of examining the stock that you see around us in Elizabeth Grove, we'll find that a proportion of those houses really need to be knocked down and rebuilt. And we intend to borrow from our balance sheet to redevelop those housing in such a way that we will have more houses available for social housing. And that really will mean that we can start to meet the demand, the waiting list for houses that unfortunately has been growing all the time.
To get this place was very hard, but Anglicare made it very easy. They put an arm out for me and gave me a chance.
Everything we do is focused on the best outcome for our tenants and for clients that need our services.
And it's about helping not only individual tenants in a very personal way, but also helping the community to come together and undertake projects as well. So it's really about individual capacity, family capacity, but also developing community capacity. In short, we're very well positioned. We have a strong balance sheet, no debt, and so we're raring to go.